G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today's April 11, 2023. This is the spot gold price update. Looking out at the daily, the 4 hourly and the hourly, we're in an upswing on the daily and the 4 hourly. But notice on the hourly, we're broken down through the moving average CCI 1500, which is our key indicator. So we've got to be mindful of potential further declines, and I'll drill down to each of these to give you more insight. On the daily, let me zoom out first. You can see there we've got this key support area at 1809 and this key resistance which is formed at 2032, and it did hit that resistance and it broke to the downside, and it's continuing to decline in the last overnight at least, and it's got more downside potential. So we've got to look out for on the 4 hourly. I did also draw these two diagonal ascending trend lines, and it's been sitting in that wedge for some time, and it may well come down and rest on this lower diagonal trend line as a potential support area. So that's our initial area. Now I have drawn also a Fibonacci retracement between that low. I'll zoom out again. Between that low at 1809 to the more recent resistance area at 2032, and you'll notice it's reaching the 23% retracement on that level there, which is near this ascending trend line. So even though the CCI moving average is still showing an uptrend, we've got to be careful it's not going to go any further. And by looking at the hourly chart, you will notice on this smaller time frame in this area here at around the 1953 level, I did draw this Fibonacci retracement, and you'll notice it's hitting our key area of potential reversal or potential declines further. It's bounced off the 61% retracement on the Fibonacci. So it may bounce to the upside, but we need to see this moving average of the CCI 1500 turn up again like it did back here when it was in the green. We need to see this break to the upside to be more confident. I wouldn't be taking long trades yet until we saw that movement to the upside, but then take more confident long trades once it breaks this resistance up here at 2032. So at the moment, just be cautious about going long. This may have further downside. It's currently resting on the 61%. If it breaks below that, it may come and bounce off this ascending trend line. And if it breaks through that, we're going to see further declines, most likely, in which case we will see the 4 hour chart come closer to the moving average. And we did say some time ago that when the CCI breaks above a moving average, they generally gravitate back to the moving average historically. So just be mindful of that. To understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe and like the channel. More on Patreon, and we'll see you in a future video.